As the price of PC components rise, we need to focus more on building good value gaming PCs. For this one, we start with the AM4 platform, boasting the Ryzen 5 5500, a perfect 1080p gaming CPU with some room to upgrade if you wish to in the future. We've paired it with 16GB of DDR4 memory and a 500GB SSD. To push the pixels, we've chucked in the RTX 4060, which you can use to play most games smoothly at 1080p high settings. Altogether, this system can be had for just £750, fully ready to go, so check out electropc.uk for your next gaming PC.